9:03
Here we go.
a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in City of Chesapeake City, of Norfolk City, of Portsmouth City, of Suffolk City, of Virginia Beach until 3 p.m.
Told you! Flood
At
warning!
9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain is falling over the warning area. The rainfall has been heavy enough to produce flooding.
Called it!
Rainfall amounts have generally been between 2 and 3 inches, with localized amounts up to 4 inches. Some locations that may experience flooding include Bowers Hill, Deep Creek, Fentress, downtown Suffolk, Driver, downtown Norfolk, Ghent, Cape Henry, Churchland, Craddock, downtown Portsmouth, Great Bridge, Northwest, Western Branch, Werleyville, Norfolk International ARPT, Norfolk NAS, Norview, Kempsville, Winhaven, Princess Anne, Regent University, Virginia Wesleyan College, Norfolk State. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated levels on small creeks and streams, and ponding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 03:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following independent cities in Virginia: Chesapeake, Norfolk, Portsmouth, Suffolk, and Virginia Beach.
Alright.
Here are